Hey there guys, Bruce Milligan calling from here from CellPro Repair Solutions. I just wanted to go through a problem that I run into with a lot of customers when their charge port doesn't work. I wanted to come up with a solution here. What I do is I just basically use the intelligent charger for batteries that can be removed. Like this one here. It'll work on, older Samsungs, LGs, those kinds of things. You can give me a call at 250-739-3379 and we can mail these guys out to you. Ask for Bruce at CellPro Repair Solutions. And what this does is basically you put the battery in like so. Try and line these guys up with the plus and minus, but it is an intelligent charger, so it will it'll work in whichever way. But I like to line it up just so I can. And then it's lined up. You take it and you plug it in, and there you go. It turns purple. And that's how you know it's charging. Alrighty, thank you very much. If this was helpful and this helped you charge your phone, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.